Welcome to a journey through the wildest eaters of the animal kingdom. Today, we'll count down nature's most voracious appetites, creatures that consume massive amounts to survive. From ocean depths to dense forests, these animals have evolved remarkable ways to fuel their existence. Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries of these extraordinary eaters. Deep in the vast, mysterious expanse of the ocean, there exists a creature of almost mythical proportions, the blue whale. Towering as the largest animal to have ever lived on our planet, the blue whale is a true marvel of the natural world. Stretching up to 100 feet in length and weighing as much as 200 tons, this gentle giant glides gracefully through the water, its massive heart beating slowly and powerfully beneath the waves. But what truly sets the blue whale apart is not just its size, but its insatiable appetite. Every single day, the blue whale consumes an astonishing amount of food, devouring up to 4 tons of krill. That's nearly 8,000 pounds of tiny shrimp-like creatures, sucked in with each enormous gulp. During feeding season, a blue whale will spend hours each day lunging through dense swarms of krill, opening its gigantic mouth wide enough to engulf an entire school bus, and then closing it to filter out the water, trapping the krill inside. To put this into perspective, imagine a human attempting to eat 80,000 hamburgers in a single day. The sheer volume is almost unimaginable, enough to fill a small house. This comparison helps us grasp the extraordinary scale of the blue whale's daily feast, a feat unmatched by any other animal on Earth. The blue whale's secret weapon is its baleen, rows of comb-like plates made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. As the whale closes its mouth, it pushes out the seawater with its massive tongue, leaving behind thousands of krill trapped in the baleen. This ingenious feeding method allows the blue whale to efficiently harvest the ocean's bounty, fueling its epic migrations across entire oceans and sustaining it through long periods of fasting when food is scarce. This colossal appetite is not just a testament to the blue whale's size, but also to its vital role in the marine ecosystem. By consuming such vast quantities of krill, the blue whale helps regulate krill populations, which in turn affects the entire food web. Its presence at the top of the marine food chain is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of ocean life, ensuring that countless other species can thrive. The abundance of krill in the world's oceans is not only essential for blue whales, but also for a multitude of other marine creatures. Penguins, seals, fish, and even seabirds all rely on krill as a primary food source. The blue whale's feeding habits, therefore, have a ripple effect, supporting the survival of entire communities of marine life. In the end, the blue whale's gargantuan appetite is a powerful reminder of how deeply interconnected ocean life truly is. Every gulp, every migration, and every meal plays a part in the grand tapestry of the sea, highlighting the importance of protecting these gentle giants and the ecosystems they help sustain. In Southeast Asia's jungles, the Burmese python is a master of stealth and surprise. It swallows prey whole, sometimes as large as deer, thanks to its flexible jaws and powerful coils. After a massive meal, the python can go months without eating, its metabolism slowing to conserve energy. Its digestive system breaks down bones and fur, extracting every possible nutrient. The python's eating habits are a perfect example of survival through adaptation. In China's misty mountains, the giant panda's life revolves around bamboo. Bamboo is low in nutrients, so pandas eat up to 38 kilograms a day, spending most of their time feeding. Their digestive system isn't built for plants, so they must eat constantly to survive. This specialization makes pandas vulnerable to habitat loss and changes in bamboo supply. The panda's eating habits show the delicate balance between adaptation and survival. In the heart of vibrant tropical gardens, where sunlight filters through a tapestry of green leaves and colorful blooms, a tiny marvel flits from flower to flower. This is the hummingbird, a creature whose very existence is a testament to the wonders of adaptation and survival. The hummingbird's high-energy life is powered almost entirely by the sweet, sugar-rich nectar it sips from blossoms. Each drop of nectar is a burst of energy, fueling its rapid movements and astonishing agility. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds rely on this sugary diet to sustain their incredibly active lifestyle. With a heart that can beat over 1,200 times per minute and wings that blur with more than 50 beats every second, the hummingbird is a living engine of motion. Its metabolism is among the fastest in the animal kingdom, demanding a near-constant intake of food. To keep up with this extraordinary energy demand, the hummingbird must feed every 10 to 15 minutes, even during daylight hours. Missing just a few meals could mean the difference between life and death for this tiny bird. Each day, a single hummingbird may visit hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of flowers. This relentless search for nectar takes it on a journey across the garden, weaving through petals and leaves in a dazzling display of speed and precision. But the hummingbird's quest for energy is about more than just survival. As it feeds, it inadvertently collects pollen on its head and beak, transferring it from flower to flower. This simple act is vital for the plants, allowing them to reproduce and thrive. In this way, the hummingbird and the flowers form a remarkable partnership, a symbiotic relationship where both benefit. The bird receives the nourishment it needs, while the plants are pollinated, ensuring the next generation of blooms. The sugar-powered hummingbird is a shining example of nature's ingenuity. Its eating habits, energy, and role in the ecosystem remind us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the world around them. In Tasmania, the Tasmanian Devil's powerful jaws and appetite make it nature's cleanup crew. It devours entire carcasses, bones, fur and all, preventing disease and recycling nutrients. The devil is also an opportunistic hunter, preying on small animals when it can. Its adaptability and strong digestive system help it survive in a tough, competitive environment. The Tasmanian Devil's voracious eating is vital to the health of its ecosystem. On the vast, sun-drenched savannas of Africa, the African elephant stands as a true giant among animals. Its massive size and incredible strength are matched only by its equally massive appetite. Every single day, an adult African elephant must consume up to 150 kilograms of vegetation, an astonishing amount that includes grasses, leaves, bark, and even the branches of trees. This daily intake is necessary to fuel their enormous bodies, which can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms or more. To meet these extraordinary dietary needs, elephants spend the majority of their waking hours searching for and consuming food. In fact, they can spend up to 16 hours a day foraging, moving slowly but purposefully across the landscape. Their powerful trunks are constantly in motion, plucking grasses, stripping leaves, and even uprooting small trees. As they feed, elephants leave a visible mark on their environment, shaping the very landscape they inhabit. The impact of their constant feeding is profound. By clearing away dense vegetation and creating open spaces, elephants make room for new plants to grow. These open patches become vital habitats for a wide variety of other animals, from grazing antelope to ground-nesting birds. In this way, elephants act as ecosystem engineers, their appetites driving the renewal and diversity of the savanna. Elephants are considered keystone species because their eating habits influence the entire ecosystem. Their movements and feeding patterns help disperse seeds, fertilize the soil, and maintain the balance between grasslands and woodlands. Other animals, both large and small, depend on the changes elephants create in their environment, making the elephant's role truly irreplaceable. Elephant herds are led by wise matriarchs, older females who remember the locations of the best feeding grounds and water sources. These matriarchs guide their families across great distances, ensuring that the herd finds enough food and water to survive, even during the harshest dry seasons. The knowledge passed down through generations is crucial for the survival of the entire group. The African elephant's enormous appetite is not just a matter of survival, it is a driving force that shapes the landscape and supports the rich web of life on the savanna. Through their daily quest for food, elephants maintain the delicate balance of their ecosystem, ensuring that Africa's wild heart continues to thrive for generations to come. On Indonesia's remote islands, the Komodo dragon is a formidable predator and scavenger. It can eat up to 80% of its body weight in one meal, thanks to expandable jaws and stomach. The dragon's venom incapacitates prey, and its digestive system handles bones and hooves. This efficiency lets it survive weeks between meals and keeps the ecosystem clean. The Komodo dragon's eating habits reveal its adaptability and crucial ecological role. In Asia's forests, the tiger hunts alone, relying on stealth and power to ambush prey. After a successful hunt, it can consume up to 40 kilograms of meat in one sitting. Tigers may go days or weeks between meals, making each hunt critical for survival. Their solitary nature means every meal is hard-won, showcasing their skill and resilience. The tiger's eating habits highlight the delicate balance of predator and prey. In arid regions, locusts transform from solitary insects to swarming hordes, devouring everything green in their path. A single swarm can contain billions, each eating its weight in vegetation daily. This feeding frenzy devastates crops but also fertilizes the land for new growth. The locust's adaptability ensures survival, turning abundance into opportunity. Their eating habits show how even the smallest creatures can reshape entire ecosystems. In the Southern Ocean, elephant seals dive over 1,500 meters deep, hunting fish and squid. Their massive size requires huge meals, especially before fasting during breeding season. These deep dives can last up to 2 hours, a feat of endurance and adaptation. Elephant seals build fat reserves to survive long periods without food. Their eating habits reveal the resilience needed to thrive in the ocean's harshest environments. As our journey ends, we've seen how each animal's appetite is a story of survival and adaptation. Which creature surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which group you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us. Keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.